What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video the day before Christmas. And today, the market, had a little rally. Is this the start of Santa Claus rally? We're not going to know till after Christmas because, Santa Claus rally is the last few days of this year, first few days of next year. But we off to a good start. Palantir was up as much as 4.5% today. My account was at 17,500 at 17.5. I was feeling like Jeezy, but we still finished strong. Palantir closed up 2% today. Tesla continued its rebound. A lot of stocks did well. We was up like 430 some dollars. It's fluctuating 430, 450, something like that. And we're gonna talk about it all. So first, with the Palantir position, we didn't do much with Palantir today. We just let it ride. You know what I'm saying? At the highs of the day, like I said, the account's worth 17.5. All these calls was worth more, but we still riding Palantir right now. We just took gains yesterday, so we're not necessarily taking no more gains right now. That little short-term call I had, though, I did take gains on it because it was up like 70, 80%. So I took that and I bought a new call for $36, and then it pulled back. You know what I'm saying? From up 4% to only up 2%. So that's why that cost down 41% off top. It don't matter. We made good money. Patterson Energy is bad over there. The stock's doing well though. I might need to get a new call. You know what I'm saying? That call ain't looking good. But QQQ put finna expire worthless, which is a good thing. You know what I'm saying? We got SoFi calls. They hanging in there. SoFi is back up closer to that 16 area. So that's good. I like SoFi as one of my picks for next year. That's why I'm still holding that. I actually got rid of the SoundHound call and the Rigetti call today at losses. You know what I'm saying? Just for now. It wasn't much in them, like $50. But going into the holiday, I didn't want to be in like no pre-revenue companies or unprofitable companies. So I'll probably be back in another quantum play. I'll probably be back in SoundHound. But for now, we out of SoundHound for now and Rigetti for now. We made good money on quantum and SoundHound. So that's where we at with that. So Tesla, yeah, we up to $535 worth of Tesla from trading shit. We definitely bought some Tesla today. They at 463, so that little dip buying we was doing is starting to pay off. So that's a good thing. We bought some SPY today. We up to $333 worth of this SPY, so that's cool. That's cool. I say we didn't add the Pfizer. We're not gonna be adding the Pfizer that much. Oklo, we did add the Oklo. Like I say, that's the one position in shares that I'm treating like a trade, like an options trade. But since it's shares I'm playing with, I can take my time, things like that. So yeah, we still looking at Oklo right now. Nvidia is bouncing back. They at 139. They hit 140 today. So that's good. Nike call. It's not doing so good. It's down a little bit. But like I said, I'm thinking about doubling down on it probably in a few days maybe. Like I said, I was making sure the market didn't crash. I didn't want to buy a new call like that. Market crash or be, so I was waiting. But if we're not going to crash, I might be buying Nike, man. So MicroStrategy, MAR, IBIT. They actually had their little recovery today. So that's good. If Bitcoin recovers, they'll bounce back. But, we holding this for the long term, and we just doing this for exposure. We did add IBIT today. You know what I'm saying? We added IBIT. We up to $66 worth of IBIT. I don't think we added Microsoft today. Robinhood calls the one call we kept of our small calls just because it's still a profitable company, and I like Robinhood. So we'll keep Robinhood's call. Google. Not sure if I added Google today. GEO call was down a little bit today. Broadcom, ARM, Advanced Auto Parts. So yeah, it was kind of a simple day. I just consolidated some things. I got the buying power at 45.50, to take advantage of whatever opportunities present themselves. But it was a bullish day coming into this, hopefully the Santa Claus rally. I'm not going to say the Santa Claus rally just yet, but hopefully this will be the start of it, man. And it might be a good year, man. So I hope everybody, had a great year. Merry Christmas. We're going to be seeing New Year's soon. But, we got to look at some stocks real quick. Let's see what we got today. So, yeah, Nvidia, it was flat today, holding that level from yesterday. So that's good. Tesla was a star today, up 7% today. So Tesla did really good today. Tesla did really good. Like I say, it's just continuing its run based on what Elon's got going on with Trump and the promise of the future for the robots, for the self-driving car. That's why I'm really buying it at this point. But we're just gonna keep DCN in the Tesla. So far we actually making money DCN in the Tesla, but when you DCN into a stock that's going crazy like this, you ready for whatever. So if it pulls back again, I'll definitely be buying more, and that's where we at with Tesla. You know what I'm saying? Apple, I'm liking this Apple run, man. My Apple car is starting to make us some money, man. I think I'm up like 20-something% on it, so hopefully that Apple car will keep going. Microsoft, 0.9% up. Palantir, 2%, 1.95. SoFi, 2.3%. IonQ was 7.3. Qubit was down. Rigetti was up. And D-Wave was down. So, quantum trade, it's getting a little confusing out here, So we're going to get back in the lab. Hopefully we can make another 7 times our money, 10 times our money. I don't think our journey on quantum is over yet. Just this round, we're taking a break for now, but we'll probably be back soon over there. Oklo was up 7% today, man. So that's looking good. That's looking good. Oklo's actually stabilizing. So that's kind of good. I'm still waiting for the down days because the reason y'all didn't see me buying Oklo calls is, for one, they're like pre-revenue for real too. But they got the momentum, and they do got the CEO of OpenAI backing them on the board and everything. But they like to have them 20% down days, man. And I don't know if my calls can take all that. And I ain't talking about 120% down day. Like, it get real with Oklo. But we gonna see how we gonna play this. I'm still doing more research on this because I think this might be one of them ones. If not this one, something in uranium, something in the energy field. So, we still doing research. Robinhood up 4.6 today. It's recovering nicely. I'm saying Hims up 1.5. So yeah, things going pretty well with the stocks. Nike was flat. Like I said, I might be having to handle my business. And yeah, things going pretty well with the stocks right now. I actually want to look at SoundHound. I got to put SoundHound higher up on the watch list. SoundHound was down a little bit today. Not much. I think they was down a little more earlier in the day. I'm not sure. I got to check. Got to make sure because I wasn't paying attention that hard. But yes, I had this down day, but let's look at some charts. Okay, so this is good. This is good. That fair value gap we've been complaining about. We not out the woods yet, people. Hopefully they invert this thing. It could fall here. It could tank here. We don't necessarily want to see that, but that's what could happen. So if you bearish or you want to hedge yourself, this wouldn't necessarily be a bad place to buy puts, because it could tank here. I'm hoping it don't tank here. But if it do, I'm going to do what I got to do. So that's where we at with the QQQ, man. Yeah, that's looking good. That's a nice recovery. Yeah, because QQ is up 1.37 today. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's look at Palantir. Okay. So that was, it was good. It was good. It was good. We definitely broke structure, as y'all can see with my little break of structure line here, because that was all-time highs again. Once again, we got no resistance above us, so we don't know what can happen up here from a technical point of view. But that's a good thing on the low. It's definitely volatile because y'all can see we went all the way up here and wicked back down like this, but it's no man's land. And it's the good kind of no man's land. That mooning kind of no man's land, my favorite kind, you feel me? Now, I'm not saying any of this gonna happen because the good news is we ain't got no resistance. The bad news is we don't know what's gonna happen. That's the only thing about when you've been holding a stock and they break out the all-time highs. So, really, the way I treat it in a situation like this, unless some macro happens, like when J. Powell tanked the entire market, something's gonna have to tank the entire market to kill us right now. Like, the only big threat we got at Palantir is that money they got to pay because the stock's over 50 to their employees. And maybe Alex Card can pull a rabbit out the hat and figure out how to grow even with that debt on there. I mean, even with that bill on there. But, we'll see. We'll see. And I guess for our last stock today, we got to look at Tesla, man. We got to look at Tesla. They did it today. What did Tesla do? Okay. Okay. They bounced off what? Previous day. No, they created previous days low yesterday. Okay. So they found them a range in this area. They picked them a range, bottomed out of that 416. And breaking out, they inverted this little bearish fair value gap. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. They closed like this. That should create a fair value gap to the upside. Yup. And we got to come into this little volume imbalance here, but technically it's looking good for Tesla. It's the same situation. Stocks up. Only thing can stop us is some macro, man. They're going to have to come with some bad jobs data. Something going to have to happen overseas. Something going to have to happen in the world. Because the fundamentals ain't saying it right now. The technicals ain't saying it right now. They can say the stock's overvalued, and I understand that because they keep running. But I always tell a bear, you gotta have something besides just the fact it's overvalued to really get a stock to tank. Overvalued alone ain't gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully we keep running, man. If we don't keep running, that's why we got that buying power. I heard they said Warren Buffett like 30% in cash right now. I ain't even mean to get up that high, but you know they've been paying me for them gains. We getting close to 30%. I ain't gonna lie, I do feel comfortable. Unc might be on to something with that one because we so high. I definitely feel like anything could happen. But you know, Merry Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Happy holidays to everybody. And you know, I hope y'all printed some money this year, you know what I'm saying? And if you didn't print no money, just watch this channel. We're going to do plenty of DD, plenty of research. We're going to try and print us some money. You know, we can't guarantee nothing. It's a stock market, but we try our best. And it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.